Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I describe about 5 areas where interest rates matter, which is written by Richard Brody. Although we hear a lot of opinions about interest rates and their trends and impacts, very few people seems to understand the significance and importance of those rates in several areas of our lives. After many decades of involvement in political campaign, leadership, leadership training, planning, real estate, financial sales and consulting, etc. I strongly believed on benefits by understanding more about this and how they affect many things in our lives, whether related to personal, organization or public finance spending, home ownership and related costs, credit related issue, business matters, stocks and bond, pricing, etc. Interest rates truly significantly matter. With that in mind, this article will attempt to briefly consider, examine, review and discuss 5 of those areas and how the cost of money makes a significant difference. Number 1, bond price and interest rates. The price of a bond generally is inversely related to interest rates. When those rates go down, prices rise, and when they go up, the inverse occurs. Bonds have what is known as a par value, which is the price paid at the end of the term. Markets usually set those at 100, which represent $1,000 per bond at majority. However, during the period, the pricing can rise for all, which impacts liquidity related issues. Number 2, mortgage rate. For the last few years, we have been witness and experiencing record low mortgage interest rates, which have helped the overall real estate housing market, especially in terms of price increasing. In most areas of this country, we are see home prices at their highest levels ever by a significant dramatic account. When the rate is low, a home buyer is able to buy more house for his bucks because his money payments are so low. Consider, however, what might be the potential ramification and impacts when those rates will rise. 3. Consumer credit. Low costs of borrowing help the automobile industry in terms of consumer financing, etc., although not as much as other vehicle. Rates on credit card, debit card are lower and they are often shorter term promotions offering deals. However, since most of those are variable and based on some index, etc., what happens when there is an increase in this? Number 4, business borrowing. Another area affected, a business cost of borrowing. Presently, they have had access to relatively cheap money, which helps in reducing the costs of borrowing, overall operations, purchasing inventory, etc. But what happens when this tricks up? Number 5, Impacts on stock market price. For some time, because bonds have paid so little in terms of dividends, etc., many have considered the stock market the only game in town. In addition, many corporations have seemed better off than they probably are, and we have witnessed a higher ratio prices of benefit than in the past. How long will this last? How high can it go? Many factors impact this issue, especially actual and or perceived inflation, consumer confidence, politics, government actions in Federal Reserve, etc. The more you know and understand, hopefully, the better prepared you will be. Has own business, been a COO and CEO, Director of Development, consultant, professionally run event, consultant of thousands of leaders, financial consulting, conducted people personal development seminar for 4 decades, and relicensed salesperson for 15 years plus. Rich has written 3 books and thousands of articles. Thanks for stay with us. Stay happy, stay safe.